we want to wait for it to break. It can move from here, but like I showed you on the seasonal tendency, right? This is where we are at right now. Okay, this is where we are at right now. Notice that it goes up and then it comes back down. So this move back down is what we'll be looking to get in, because it's gonna make, once it breaks market structure, it's gonna pull back. Okay, so here, if it breaks market structure, it's gonna pull back before going up, because that's what they do all the time. Okay, so if they break this short-term high, it will pull back, and then with that pullback, we look to continue going up. Or if it doesn't, we use the daily market open high, low, and close strategy, right? So if it does not pull back, let's say price breaks market structure, it breaks this short-term high and it does not pull back, we're gonna use the open manipulation expansion. We're gonna use that strategy to get into the trade. So whatever happens, they need to break first. Okay, once they break and confirm they want to go up, then we'll use that strategy to go in looking for the potential trade ideas. All right, remember I mentioned that if you're not scared of taking a loss, you can buy the run below this low, leave your stop loss below that imbalance here, which is this one, right? If you're not scared of taking a loss, buy the run below the low, leave your stop loss below here, and then look for the continuation. Okay, that is the option. Or you have to wait for price to break, because running back down here is a run on stop. Okay, so you see that you get in here or you wait. You can't buy in the middle, because buying in the middle won't make sense, because if it does not break, it's gonna come back and stop you out, and that is not good. But if you buy down here, at least your stop loss is covered down there. Alright, so if you did not get in with the run below this low, then you have to wait for this short-term high to be broken, pull back, and then you get in that way. Because this is a range, high to low, it can always do this. It can come back down again and then make the move up. Okay, or wait for the daily, because the daily is forming a potential swing low. Pull back, buy. Is that okay?